Where'd he go? Where did he go? Where's your baby? Are you gonna go get the baby?
Every story has a beginning. Ours begins with a family that was ordinary.
Owen, where's the baby?
Right here. We were all living under the same roof, but in different worlds.
What do you got?
It's amazing how quickly life can change.
What do you got? That's not a baby. Those are shorts. You don't like long pants? No? You don't like them? No?